you want to improve your problem-solving skill, you have to define challenges for yourself. Let's be honest, this is a very common question that every developer can ask themselves, that how can I improve my problem-solving skill and how can I define challenges for myself? So I had that question too, and I found that approach that I could follow to improve my skill, and I can recommend that to you too. So the thing is, we all use frameworks these days or other tools that we all see in GitHub or everything that we can use these days in our projects. Like, I'm a PHP and Laravel developer, and I've been using Laravel for about 2 years, and we all know that Laravel has lots of great features, that all of them are handy and you can use them in our projects. So features like accessors, I use a container like queue and everything that you can see and use. Ask yourself that how can I implement them? This is very important, because think of the day that none of them are available for you. And if accessors aren't available for me, how can I implement them? Or how is it implemented? Or IOC is not available for me, how can I implement it? If you're curious enough, you will find that accessors are implemented by magic methods in PHP. So accessors is a challenge for you. You want to implement them, and magic methods is a response to that challenge. So another question can be how IOC containers is implemented. So IOC container is a challenge for you, and if you're curious enough, and you will find that reflections in PHP is the response for that IOC container because it's implemented by reflections in PHP. Or another thing can be when you're using Google Map and you choose your destination, it shows you the fastest way that you can follow. So ask yourself that, how does it show me the fastest way? How could it find it? So if you search on the internet, you'll find that it's an algorithm that you can use it, you can learn it, and you can implement it for yourself. It's challenging, of course, but you can learn, you can improve your problem-solving skill. So that's it. When you're using features or tools, you can ask yourself that if it wasn't available for me, how could I implement it? That's it. If you liked it, like this video, comment and share.